Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 5 minutes. Plus you can download this free template from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use. So let's begin. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide. The next thing you're going to do is insert an image, about 4 images. Put them into the slide, decrease the size, go to crop option, crop them to a rounded corner rectangle, give them the same height of 6 centimeter. We're going to select this image and just decrease its size and put them right here like this. Rotate them slightly. Select all of them and put them into the center and the middle of your slide. Next, what we're going to do is just put them into the center in the middle of a slide and rotate them slightly to according to our preferences. So here you go. Now the next step is that you select all of them, go to the format background, format shape, and give them shadow. But as you can see, the shadow doesn't really look nice, so we're just gonna remove it. So let's go to format background, and we're gonna give the background a light color. I'm gonna go to the lilac shade, and here you go. Next, what we're gonna do is insert this curved like line and make a curved line. It may take some practice, but once you learn it, it is really easy to make. Now let's send it to the back and give it these dashes. And then we're going to change their color to this dark purple shade that we use to make the lighter lilac color. So here you go. Next, we're going to insert a text box for the title, in which we're going to add a title, increase its size, change its fill, and here you go. Insert a small circle in the bottom of your slide and change its fill to the same as the text color. Now duplicate your slide, move the text up for a circle downwards, and you're gonna just move the images aside like this. Now select the 4 images, go to rotation option and give them 0 rotation. Increase the sizes and put them into the slide like this. Here you go. Next, what we're going to do is insert a round corner rectangle in the middle and the center of our slide. Remove this outline, give it a fill of the background fill. We're going to insert a text box in it and increase its size, change its fill. I'm going to use the same dark purple color. Here you go. Now let's just insert this rectangle right below our text. And so we have to write some content text as well. Duplicate the slide and you have to remove everything from it. And you're gonna move these images out of the slide, increase the first image size and pitch it onto the slide. Now increase its size, change its fill. Here you go. Now duplicate the slide and decrease the image size and put it onto the slide. And then we're gonna insert the other image and increase its size. Duplicate the slide again, and the next thing we're gonna do is again put third image on it. First of all, let me just put into the front and then increase its size, and for the text let's just send it to the front as well so that we can see it. And then we're gonna duplicate the slide and we're gonna duplicate the slide into a 6th slide and increase this 4th image size and put it onto our slide. And then we're gonna duplicate the first 2 slides and move them downwards. And for the second last slide, we're gonna move it to the last slide, give MORPH transition to all of your templates. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Plus, you can download this free template from the link in the description below. and it's completely free to use.